Hi, lovers of Life at Nature. We help you to reverse chronic incurable diseases through the science of food, collaborative ideations and formulations of a drugless natural cure healing system. Welcome to Life at Nature. Remember, your nature is your future. Before going further, do subscribe us to stay healthy. Follow us on our social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter to maintain your health naturally, and also visit our website www.lifeatnature.com to shop natural health supplements. Now, let's get started. This is the age of computers and robotics. Even your computers and robots needs detoxification from time to time. Otherwise, your computers may go crash or it may fail to perform the activities. Detoxification simply means the elimination of toxic matters which is accumulated inside our body. Our body has natural detoxification mechanisms through few organs. They are liver, kidneys, lungs, skin, intestine. Our body has the inbuilt mechanism of detoxification even if the organs are under stress or we pressurize the organs externally by giving wrong way of lifestyles, food habits or any environmental stress factors. Liver is the main organ of detoxification. It neutralizes the toxins by removing it through bile acids and bile juices. Kidneys filter the blood constantly and remove all the water-soluble toxins through our urine. Lungs are exposed with the maximum number of pollutants through smoking, chemicals and also dust. Lungs filter out all the deoxygenated air and gives us oxygen throughout the body and also eliminates the toxins through the breath. Colon or intestines absorb the food, nutrients and also water. They break down the toxins and eliminate them through the form of feces. Skin is the largest organ which we have and it removes the toxins in the form of sweat. Because of the overload of toxins from inside and also from outside, these organs can get affected and the efficiency of these organs can be minimized. But because of the overload of toxins from inside and also from outside, these organs also sometimes get affected and the efficiency of these organs are diminished. In order to improve the efficacy of all these organs, some naturopathy treatments like colon hydrotherapy, enema and natural foods rich in fibers and also regular performance of exercises are beneficial. I hope this video was informative. Share this video with your family and friends. Also subscribe our YouTube channel Life at Nature. Hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. I will meet you in my new video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.